Good morning to all of you. I welcomes to all in our lecture series on mathematical physics. The topic is Fourier series and this is our lecture number 16. Lecture number 16. Lecture number 16. So in our today's lecture we are going to be discuss about complex form of Fourier series. This is a new topic that we are going to be discuss and in general uh, the Fourier series having the period 2L can be written as in this form that we know, and its complex form will be like this, or will be like this. So how it is that we are going to be discussed in detail. So let's start. We know that the Fourier series of a periodic function fx having the period 2L is given by a0 by 2 summation over n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by l plus n equal to 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by l. So that this is equation number 1. Okay, but we know the complex representation of cos theta and sin theta is nothing but e to the power I theta can be represented by cos theta plus I sin theta. We know that this is e to the power I theta is nothing but cos theta plus I sin theta, and e to the power minus I theta is nothing but cos theta minus I sin theta. Let this is equation number 2 and this is equation number 3. So by adding these two, equation number 2 and 3, we can get see, if we have to add it, then this plus and minus is going to be cancelled out. It will be 2 cos theta will be equal to e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta. So 2 cos theta will be equal to e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta. Hence cos theta will be 1 by 2 e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta. So by subtracting 3, equation number 3 from equation number 2, we can found sin theta will be equal to 1 by 2y e to the power I theta minus e to the power minus I theta. Okay. Therefore, cos nx by L can be written as here instead of theta we are going to be considered n pi x by L. Okay, this much only. So this will be 1 by 2 pi 1 by 2 pi e to the power I theta. Theta instead of theta I am going to consider the n pi x by L. So e to the power I n pi x by L plus e to the power minus I n pi x by L. Okay. Similarly, sin n pi x by L will be equal to 1 by 2 pi e to the power I n pi x by L minus e to the power e to the power minus I n pi x by L. Simply I have been substituted n pi x by L for theta at here. So instead of theta, if I will be put n pi x by L, it will be sin n pi x by L. So here theta will be considered as or substituted by n pi x by L. Here theta also n pi x by L. Simple. Okay. So now fx will be, we have to put all these values, cos n pi x by L, sin n pi x by L, whatever we have been found or we constructed like with the help of exponential form, that we are going to be substitute over here. So fx will be equal to a0 by 2 plus minus n equal to 1 to infinity an cos n pi x by L. Cos n pi x by L is nothing but this much. This has been substituted. Okay, plus summation over 1 to infinity bn sin n pi x by L. Sin n pi x by L is nothing but this much. So same thing I have been just substituted instead of sin n pi x by L. So it will be e to the power I n pi x by L minus e to the power minus I n pi x by L divided by 2 pi. Divided by 2 pi is here. Okay. Now Here a0 by 2 is considered as c0. a0 by 2 is considered as c0. So plus summation over n equal to 1 to infinity an e to the power in pi x by l by 2, one term. I have been multiplied. I am going to be multiplied this an with this one, an with this one, bn with this one, bn with this one. So the 4 terms I have been written. That's it. Here I have been multiplied an with this term, bn with this term. How many terms I am going to get? 4 terms. The same 4 terms I have been written. Simple. Here an e to the in pi x by l by 2 n pi x by l by 2 plus an is here e to the power minus I n pi x by l by 2 here bn see here bn e to the power I n pi x by l divided by 2y. We have to write 2y, but here I have been written 2 because remember it, if suppose 1 by I have, okay, so if I at the denominator, I is the imaginary number, I is nothing but, we know that minus 1 to the power 1 by 2 or root over 1. So suppose I at the denominator, if I will be take to the numerator, it will be minus I. Why it is? Suppose 1 by I, okay, multiply I on the numerator, multiply I on in the denominator, then it will be I by I square. I square is minus 1, so minus I. So in your future semesters, this type of things you are going to get sometimes in your mathematical physics. The I is going to taken over to the numerator and it will be minus, or plus will be minus will be plus, like that. So it has to be 2i, bn e to the power I n pi x by l by 2i should have to be, but I have been taken I to the numerator, so it will be minus. Okay, next, this is plus minus, should have to be minus bn e to the power bn into e to the power minus I n pi x by l whole divided by 2i. But if I will take I to the numerator, then here is minus, I has been gone to the numerator, so another minus, it will be plus. So minus, sorry, n equal to 1 to infinity I bn e to the I n pi x by l by 2. Okay, now I am going to take these 2 terms nearby one another, this term and this term. This term I have been taken nearby with each other, and this term I have been taken nearby with each other. That's it. C0 will be here, and this term I have been written over here. Okay, and again this term minus n equal to I will be here 1 to infinity bn e to the I n pi x by l by 2. Here this one. Okay, now this term is nothing but here. Okay, now and another this term is here. Okay, so I am explaining slowly. You have to write wherever you want. You pause the video and you can write, no problem. Okay, now we have to move to the next page. See, here you can see. Okay, next page, what it will be? See, C0 will be here, 1 by 2 from this 2 term I can take outside, and e to the power I n pi x by l also I can take outside. Both are common with these 2 terms. Okay, so what it will be? C0 will be here plus n equal to 1 to infinity e to the power I n pi x by l taken as common, so 2 will be here, an minus I bn by 2. Similarly, plus n equal to 1 to infinity summation over e to the power minus I n pi x by l. If we have to take common from that other two terms, then we are going to get into an plus I bn by 2. Okay, so here it has been in generalized form. It can be written as fx equal to c0 plus summation over n equal to 1 to infinity, n equal to 1 to infinity, and this is considered as cn, c plus n, c plus n, e to the power I n pi x by l, e to the power I n pi x by l. Okay, then in this term, this is an plus I bn by 2 is considered as c minus n into, this is written over here. Let this is equation number 4a. Okay, now you can see n varies from 1 to infinity. Here n varies from 1 to infinity, but here minus is there, here minus is there. Okay, so and c0 term also will be here. If I am going to consider c0, then it will be c0 e to the power 0 will be 1. So c0 term will be here also. So this whole can also be written as minus infinity to plus infinity. Cn e to the power I n pi x by l. See, all the positive terms also can be included in this summation. That means 1 to infinity also inside this summation, and minus 1 to minus infinity. Here 1 to infinity, but if I am going to put 1, 2, it will be counted as minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this up to minus infinity, and c0 also included. So this is also the compact form of complex form of Fourier series. These two equations are considered as the complex form of Fourier series. Okay, you have to write up to this much, then you have to start over from here. Okay, so here c0 is nothing but a0 by 2. We have been saw in the last page, and cn is nothing but how much? N 1 by 1 by 2 an minus ibn, 1 by 2 an minus ibn. Okay, and c minus n is nothing but 1 by 2 an plus I b n. This one, this is nothing but considered as c minus n. This one, this is considered as c minus n. So that, but a0 we know that 1 by l minus l to l fx dx. An will be nothing but 1 by l minus l to l fx cos n pi x by l dx. Okay, and bn is nothing but this one, we know that. And cn, if we have to consider cn, okay, cn, it will be 1 by 2 1 by l, because see, cn is nothing but 1 by 2 an minus ibn. Okay, so that I am going to be substitute over here. 1 by 2 an, this is nothing but an. Okay, this is nothing but an minus, this is nothing but your bn. So this will be your so-called cn. Likewise, similarly, c minus n also you are going to get, you can get this much. Okay, because cos n pi x by l minus sin n pi x by l is nothing but e to the power minus I n pi x by l. That we know, because cos theta minus I sin theta is nothing but e to the power minus I theta. Okay, so similarly c minus n also we can get this much. Now, using all the discussions whatever we have been discussed about complex form of Fourier series, here this is a simple question that I am going to be explained for you. Find the complex Fourier series of fx equal to x, which is exist in between minus pi to pi. The period is 2 pi, so Fourier series can be exist of this function. We have to try to find out its complex form. We know that the general form of the complex form of a function will be nothing but minus infinity to infinity cn e to the power into e to the I n pi x by l, that we have been found here. So now our work is we have to find out the Cn. So here 2l is nothing but 2 pi. Minus pi to pi is exist, the function is exist between minus pi to pi. So 2l is equal to 2 pi, l is equal to pi. So Cn will be 1 by 2l minus l to l fx e to the power I n pi x by l dx. This much we found the Cn value, right? That we are going to be find out now. So this will be x, fx is x e to the power I sin I n, here l is nothing but pi. So pi got cancelled, I n x dx. So if we are going to consider islet, inverse logarithmic, arithmetic, trigonometric, exponential. So arithmetic is our first function. So now we are going to apply the by parts. The first function will be here x, integration of second function e to the power I n x by I n minus I n, minus derivative of this one, double integration of this one, or you can consider Kronecker method, no problem. So it will be e to the power minus I n by I n x by minus I n square. Minus pi to pi is your limit. Okay, this will be I e to the power I n x by minus I n. Here plus, why it will be plus? See, here minus square is plus and I square is minus. So minus minus will be plus. Okay, so e to the power I n x by n square minus pi to pi. Now we have to put the limit carefully. See, if we have to put pi, it will be pi into e to the power I n pi by I n. Okay, here I have been written I n. Initially it was minus I n. That means negative sign I have been considered at the on the numerator. So if it is so, it will be minus pi e to the power I n pi. But if we have to put minus pi again, okay, first we have to put pi. So pi means this, for this term will be this one. Then for this term will be e to the power I n pi by n square. Gone. Then minus pi, we have to consider minus pi. See, here first we substituted pi for this one and this one. Minus, we have to substitute minus pi for this one and this one. So this is the minus. Minus pi I have to substitute over where? X. So whenever I have to substitute minus pi for this one, for x, it will be minus pi, but here minus I is there. Okay, so minus minus, it will be automatically plus. Okay, so it will be pi e to the power I n pi by I n plus e to the power I n pi by n square. If we have to put pi for here, so e to the power plus I n pi by n square. Okay, simple. See, here I am going to explain once again. First, see, pi I have been substituted for this one and this one, then minus pi for this one and this one. Pi, here pi e to the I n x by minus I n. So just minus only multiplied here. Okay, so it will be minus pi e to the I n pi. So pi will be here if I am going to substitute. So e to the I n pi by n square. Okay, then minus pi here. Minus pi here, if I have to put minus pi, here is another minus. It will be pi e to the I n pi by I n. Then minus pi I have to substitute it over here, e to the I n pi. Over here means for x, e to the I n pi by n square. Okay, now see, 1 by 2 pi minus pi. Okay, see, e to the power I n pi is nothing but minus 1 to the power n. Why? See, e to the power minus I n pi will be nothing but what? Will be cos n pi minus I sin n pi, right? Sin n pi. We know that sine n pi always 0. How much rest we got? Cos n pi. Cos n pi value is how much? Minus 1 to the power n. So e to the power plus I n pi or minus I n pi, whatever may be, the value will be minus 1 to the power n. Okay, so here e to the power I n pi value is minus 1 to the power n. E to the power minus I n pi also minus 1 to the power n. Minus pi e to the I n pi minus 1 to the power n, and plus e to the I n pi will be minus 1 to the power n. Okay, here minus is minus, minus is minus. So here two terms are similar and opposite can be cancelled out. Which one? These two terms. This term and this term. Both are equal and opposite. Plus, minus can be cancelled out. The rest will be pi, pi got cancelled. It will be minus 1 to the power n divided by in. Okay. Because this term and this term will be equal. So it will be minus 2 pi minus 1 to the power n. So 2 pi will be got cancelled. It will be minus into minus 1 to the power n by in. So now here this is nothing but our Cn. But C0, if I am going to put over here for C0, the value will be how much? One type of infinite not exist. So only for that we have to find out the C0 value directly from the integral. So it will be 1 by 2 pi minus pi to pi x into e to the power 0. C0 means n equal to 0 we have to put over here. So e to the power 0 means 1. So it will be dx 1 by 2 pi. So it will value will be 0. So C0 value will be 0. Now C0 value will be 0. Okay. So fx will be equal to minus infinity to infinity. Cn e to the power I n pi x by L. Only we have to put the Cn value over here. The Cn value is nothing but minus into minus 1 to the power n by in into e to the power I n pi x by L. L is nothing but pi, so I n x. But for n equal to 0, here we have been considered minus infinity to infinity. But whenever n equal to 0, the value will be equal to 0. So this is true. This is true for n not equal to 0. The answer was this much, and we got also same. So hence also if I am going to be match exactly with our answer, then here you can see this is minus 1 to the power n. This is what? Minus means minus 1 to the power 1. Okay, so it will be minus 1 to the power n plus 1 by in e to the power inx. So this is our answer. So you can write wherever you want. I suggest that you have to write the note by pause the video and you have to write the note. Now, yes, another question for you, for your homework, home task that you have to do by yourself. And this question we are going to discuss in our next class. That is, find the complex Fourier series. That is, this is 1 in between minus pi to 0, 0 to pi, and this one will be the answer for n equal to odd only. N equal to odd only. Try by yourself, and in detail we are going to discuss of this solution in our next class. So thank you so much.